In the first year that we got it, we traveled and lived in it full time. We traveled mostly around Europe, and then we came back to Switzerland where we are based, and we keep exploring the surroundings, the mountains during the long weekends and vacations, and it's the best way of traveling for us. So it's great to just pop in the van and hit the road.
Hey guys, I'm Roman.
And I'm Ioana, and today we're going to give you a tour of our van Leni.
Come on! Our van is unique with this hulk oven because it's self-built from aluminium by previous owner, and you won't find exactly the same van anymore out there. It has 2.4 turbo diesel engine with 92 horsepower. We installed 200 ampere hour lithium battery with 2 kilowatt power inverter, and we have 460 watt solar panels on the roof. Moving over here, we have a 70-liter gas tank underneath. In winter time it lasts us around 3-4 weeks, but in summertime we're using it just for cooking and hot shower. It will last us all summertime. Moving along, here we have a connector to the outside shower. So in summer days we would prefer to stay in the place like this, just to take shower outside. It's much nicer than inside. Here we have self-built bike rack. Under we have a spare tire and hoses and some other items that we're using almost on daily basis. These are levelers to level it out if we are standing not in level. And all this thing is opening quite easy, and you have access to the back door. Here in the back we have a storage room and of course a shower and a toilet. As a toilet we have a composting toilet from Nature's Head, and these guys did amazing job. The ventilator runs through the solids and there is never smell inside the van. And the number one we are emptying almost every day, but it's just a number one and there is not much smell around. Here we have 30-liter grey water tank. It's made from a large plastic pipe, and the problem that we had was in winter it was freezing and we couldn't get rid of water. So last summer I installed a 12-volt mat underneath, which we can switch it on our control panel, and it will heat it up and all frozen water will be out. So since then we never had issue with that anymore. And welcome to our living room. As you see, here can sit comfortably for people. The new addition is what we have is folding up table. So when we don't need it, we have a lot of space to walk around. It's very convenient when we make a small breaks, and then we have to walk through here and back. Here we have engine. It's not like other vehicles in the front. We have it here. And here we can check the oil level and fill it up if you need it. Luckily we don't need it so often. Here we have our bed. It's 2 meters 20 long and 160 wide, which is super comfortable to sleep on. And that was actually a must when we were looking for a van, that we don't need to make a bed, transfer it to the seats at the daytime and back in the evening. So we love it.
This is the view from our bed. We have a nice skylight window. It's nice for watching the stars at night, but also during the day. And other 2 windows on the side.
Here we have for some storage space. Here we have jars, which are super convenient. So here we having the stuff that we're using mostly, for example coffee. Here we have a basket where we keep our small stuff around. We have actually several of them. Under it we have lithium battery, 200 ampere hour and 2 kilowatt power inverter. Under this bench we have 100-liter water tank, which lasts for us around 3-4 days. And next to it is a water boiler, 10 liters. It's running on gas. and it's warming up temperature between 30 and 70 degree and very fast, so it's very convenient to have a shower. Here we have heater ventilator that we can adjust, and next to it is a boiler controller, and we can adjust it between 30 and 70 degree to heat. When we're using water just for the dishes, it will be enough with 30, and if you take a shower, of course, we'll put it to maximum.
Here's our tiny kitchen. We have a 2-burner stove, a good size sink. Here is the air extractor, which is a new addition. That's really great. We have plenty of storage. Here where we store our cups and tea and cutlery. More storage here for big pots and pans and coffee mocha. Even more storage. It is our main control panel where we can see the water levels, we can switch on and on the electricity. We have also a gas alarm, which works also as a knockout alarm. When we are in places that we don't feel that safe, we turn it on. We have the gas heater down here, and works really great. We've been in winter days in temperatures up to minus 25 degrees Celsius, and we had no problems. Inside was nice and cozy. More storage for spices. In the fridge, which is quite big. It's 100-liter capacity fridge, and for the 2 of us is more than enough. Don't have much counter space. There is this extra cutting board that pulls out, but I still manage to cook quite a lot in our tiny kitchen, and we love it. More storage here for clothes, also on this side, and the big storage where you can find whatever you can think of. And now let me show you what's behind this door. Our toilet and backyard.
I hope you enjoy our van tour. We also have a YouTube channel, Re-Exploring.
Yes, you can find out more about Leni and our van life journey, but also we are in the process of building our first tiny house, so more exciting content to come.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!